On a pleasing day of Atal Bihari Vajpayee birth anniversary, I would like share his word with all of you. क्या हार में क्या जीत में, किंचित नहीं भयभीत में, कर्तव्य पथ पर जो भी मिला, यह भी सही वो भी सही, वरदान नहीं मांगूंगा, वो कुछ पर नहीं मानूंगा. He is called the man of masses. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who served as a Prime Minister of India for 3 times, is undoubtedly a man of remarkable stature. Atal Bihari Vajpayee date of birth is 25th December 1924. He had a commendable life that spanned over a period of 9 decades. In this Atal Bihari Vajpayee biography, we will look into some of his greatest achievement, early life, career and his role in the upliftment of the nation and more. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's place of birth was Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. He was born to Krishna Bihari Vajpayee and Krishna Devi in a Hindu Brahmin family. After finishing his schooling from Saraswati Shishu Mandir and Anglo Vernacular Middle School in Barnagar, Ujjain, Atal went on to attend Gwalior's Victoria College, where he completed his BA in English, Sanskrit and Hindi. He then pursued and completed his postgraduate studies in political science from DAV College in Kanpur. He also went to pursue law but then gave it up owing to the partition riots of 1947. Atalji was an active member of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, initially joining as a volunteer or Swayamsevak to rising to the ranks of Vistarak, a probationary full-time worker. He worked for several newspapers, Panchajanya, a weekly Hindi, Rashtriya Dharma, a monthly Hindi, and a Swadesh and Veer Arjun dailies as a Vistarak in Uttar Pradesh. Vajpayee's first stint with national politics started as early as 1942, during the time of Quit India movement, which eventually brought an end to British colonial rule in India. He had embarked upon the career of being a journalist but was unable to pursue it further as he joined the Bharatiya Janata Sangh, which ultimately went on to shape the present day Bharatiya Janata Party. He was initially appointed as a national secretary of the party and was made in charge of the northern region, which was based in Delhi. Following the demise of Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Atal was made the leader of Bharatiya Janata Sangh and became its president in the year of 1968. Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the man of oratorial skills, which he utilized for brilliantly defending the Sangh's policies. In the terms of his national political career, Atal Bihari Vajpayee had been elected to Lok Sabha, the lower house of parliament, 9 times and twice to Rajya Sabha or the upper house of parliament. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's history as a Prime Minister of India is also quite remarkable. He served as country's Prime Minister for 3 times. In the year 1996, he was sworn in as 10th President of India. However, when Bharatiya Janata Party failed to form a majority in Lok Sabha, Vajpayee resigned just after a period of 16 days as it became evident that he did not have the support necessary to form a government. His second term as Prime Minister began after 1998 general election that resulted in the formation of National Democratic Alliance. This Atal Bihari Vajpayee led government lasted for total 13 months. The third term of Atal Bihari Vajpayee lasted for the full 5-year period starting from 1999 to 2004. Since Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the only candidate to have become Prime Minister of India with two successive mandates. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was mainly considered a pragmatic, but when criticized for nuclear weapon in 1998, he also played a key role in making dedicated efforts to resolve the long-running feud between Pakistan and India over the region of Kashmir. Given his inspirational leadership, India was able to achieve steady growth in the economy and soon paved the way for the nation to become a leader in the information technology sector. In the spirit of its numerous achievements, the Atal Bihari Vajpayee led government was not entirely lacking in drawbacks. The economically less viable section of Indian society often felt left out in the path of towards economic growth. The Vajpayee-led government was also heavily criticized for its response to the Gujarat riots that occurred in 2002. Starting the year 2000, his government also started the divestment of public funds from the number of industries that were run by states. In 2004 parliamentary election, the Vajpayee-led coalition was defeated and he announced retirement from active politics in December 2005. Atal Bihari Vajpayee never got married and remained a bachelor his entire life. He instead adopted the daughter of his longtime friend Rajkumari Kaul and Professor B.N. Kaul. His adoptive daughter was Namita Bhattacharya and the family lived with him. He breathed his last on 16 August 2018. Recognizing his selfless dedication towards the country, which he called his first and only love, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee has been confirmed with the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, in 2014. He devoted more than 50 years of his life in service to society and the nation. He was named as Best Parliamentarian in the year 1994. Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee not only proved himself to be an eminent national leader but was also a great politician and social worker. His many skills made him a multifaceted personality. His work echoed his commitment to nationalism, where he led effort to articulate the aspiration of the masses. At last, I would like to summarize the biography of our beloved Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji with his own poetry about life. ठन गई, मौत से ठन गई, जूझने का मेरा इरादा न था, मोड़ पर मिलेंगे इसका वादा न था, रास्ता रोक कर वह खड़ी हो गई, यूं लगा जिंदगी से बड़ी हो गई. We all love you Atal ji. You will be always in our heart. Shukriya. If you like such video, do subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon for notification.